Friday morning, 8:30 a.m., 19th of July, 2019. Didn't feel like making breakfast this morning, so I decided to take a ride out to Port Monroe and Firehouse Coffee, which is my new favourite breakfast, coffee and lunch place. It's on the deactivated port of Port Monroe, which so as you can see, it's a little overcast today, and it's around 80-85 degrees Fahrenheit. The last couple of days have been well in the hundreds and very, very humid. Way too hot to ride a motorcycle or to do anything else. Actually, I've just been hiding in the house. I want some breakfast. Port Monroe and Firehouse Coffee. Here I come. Parking at Port Monroe. Firehouse Coffee. I go to the shop. Firehouse. Now coffee shop. And stop the bike. Get off, walk in, and order myself something to eat. I don't know what yet, but I'll read the menu and see what they've got. So here are some still photographs of the front of the building. And as I was walking in, again, I forgot to turn off my helmet camera. It doesn't matter, it just makes for an interesting view. Oh my God, I'm getting sick, I'm upside down. And it's inside again. And this bit is a bit more of my upside down camera. So I decided to put my helmet on one of the tables as the young lady sat there waiting for her food. And I'm going to go and order some coffee and a sandwich. So as I was waiting for my breakfast, I did some still photography, and this is the young lady bringing me my breakfast. So I went to the bathroom and turned my camera on just to pick up some internal video. Two young ladies that work there were having a discussion about some girl. I can't hear it. It's not important. I'm going back in the bathroom after washing my hands. And I'm going to sit down now and eat my wonderful breakfast. And there is my breakfast. It was brioche with a fish salad. It was really, very good. And time to leave. Put on my gloves. I go home. I'm going to make this video and see what else is going to be doing for the rest of the day. This evening I am going to go to work. I am a writing coach at Thomas Nelson Community College. So I'm going to go home and prepare for that. Tally ho, and off we jolly well go. Going to ride home through Eternal Park, Port Monroe, past the church on my left. See the church. And I will say good morning and have a great day.